Hey guys, welcome to today's quick vehicle visionary video. If you watched my recent video where I talked about the CPLAY2Air that will allow you to convert any vehicle that has Apple CarPlay to the ability to use your phone wirelessly, well, we're doing the giveaway to what I showed in the video. So I'm gonna pull the random comment picker up on the screen right now. I'm gonna actually show you this in action and show you who actually won the contest. So congratulations to the winner. The account name is Essex. I'm gonna leave a comment down on your comment if you don't see this video with my email address, so you can email me your address and I can send you your prize. So congratulations, and check that out. I'll leave a link in the description of this video for that product if you want to check that out, and also the video where I demoed it. It actually worked pretty well. I was pretty surprised. Now, I didn't use it every day or anything like that in my own vehicle because, well, I don't need it. But check that out, see what you think. Maybe that's what you're looking for. I appreciate everybody's support, and I'll see you in my next video.